this mathematics class. Today we will discuss about factors and multiples. What is the characteristic, what is the property of a factor? Come, let's know this quality or characteristic of a factor taking some examples. Just we will take the example of 24. So what do we write? 24 is equal to 24 cross 1. Next, how we will get 24? Just below than 24, 12 is there. 12 cross 2. Again, we can say 8 cross 3. And we can say 6 cross 4. Below than 6, 4 cross 6. Below than 4, 3 is there. 3 cross 8. Next, below than 3, 2 is there. 2 cross 12. Below than 2, 1 is there. 1 cross 24. So, these all are the factors of 24. Now, we can arrange them just like a tree, that we can say factor tree, just you see. So, you can say 1 is a factor of 24, we can write here 1. Next to 1, 2. Then 3. Then 4. Then 6. Then 8. Next to 8, 12. And lastly we can say 24. So what do we see here? You see 1 is a factor of 24 and 24 itself is a factor of 24. So we can see all the factors of 24. It is, you can say, factor tree. Just we will take another example. Just we will take the example of 30. So what is 30? We can say 30 cross 1. Below than 30, how can we get 30 with the multiplication? Next, 15. 15 cross 2. Below than 15, what do we get? Another multiplication. Which product will be 30? 10. 10 cross 3. Next, below than 10, what we will get? 6 cross 5. Next, below than 6, what we will get? 5. 5 cross 6. Similarly, you can say, below than 5, what is there? 3. 3 cross 10. Next to 3, 2 is there. 2 cross 15. And lastly, we can get 1 cross 30. So, all these are, from all these multiplications, we can get the factors of 30. Now, we can arrange them. How many factors are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, we can arrange them in the factor tree. Just you see, what is the first, what is the lowest? 1. Then 2. Then 3. Then 5. Then 6. Then 10. And then 15. And lastly, you can get that is 30. You see here. So all these are the factors of 30. All these are the factors of 30. So from this factor tree, we can see how many factors are there, what is the lowest factor and what is the highest factor. Let's proceed. Take another example. Let's take another example. Just you can see 12. So what will be the factors of 12? We can write here 12 is equal to 12 cross 1. Next, below than 12, what is that? From which multiplication we can get product 12? We can say that is 6. 6 cross 2. Next, below than 6, we can get 4. 4 cross 3. Below than 4, we can get 3. 3 cross 4. Below than 3, you can get 2. 2 cross 6. Below than 2, there is 1. 1 into 12. So, what are the factors of 12? How many factors are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, we can arrange them in a factor tree. Just in the middle, we will write 12. Next, what are the factors? We can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, first is what? First is, we say, the lowest is 1. 2. Then you can get 3. Then you can get 4. Then you can get 6. And lastly, you will get, you see what is there? 12. So these all are the factors of 12. We can say this is factor tree. So from the factor tree of 12, we can find all the factors of 12. So what did you mark here? What did you notice here in all the examples? In all the examples, we can notice that 1 is the lowest factor of every number and the same number is the highest factor of the number. So let's discuss about the qualities of a factor, of a number. So let's have a study. So what do we see from these factors? You see 24 has the factors of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. You see 1 is there, 1 is the lowest factor and 24 is its highest factor. Means same number is the highest factor. Next you proceed towards 30. 30 has the factors like 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. The lowest factor is 1 and 30 itself is the highest factor. Then we will see the factors of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. What is the lowest factor? 1. And highest factor? 12 itself. So from all these examples, what do we study here? We study here 1 is the lowest factor of every number and the number itself is the highest factor of itself. So let's study the properties, the characteristics of factors. So from all these examples, we will study that a factor divides the number or multiple completely. Next property, 1 is a factor of all the numbers. Yes. Next, a number itself is a factor of its own. A number is also a factor. Next, a factor can't exceed the number. Means, suppose we will take 10. Any factor of 10 cannot be more than 10. Suppose any factor of 12 cannot be more than 12. So, a factor cannot exceed the number. Next, a number is its highest factor. The number itself is the biggest or highest factor of the number. So, from all these, I hope your doubt is clear about factor and multiple. Next class we will discuss about only multiples. So thank you for watching this video class. Bye bye.